United States of Acropolis, flying the model. What's the model?
Melting.
Huh? Melting 3D Αποματώθηκες δηλαδή. Yes, this is not simulator. This is Mr. Pantelis, the fearless inverted pilot. Every time you call him on the phone, he's ready to fly. This is 3D hovering. Yes, it's true. Speedy Gonzalez. Too many years flying, not tired. Yes, it is. Another model is just see now, have accident, no injuries, only damage. Police is not coming. Yes. Lealet TV. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a simulator. This is pantelis. Yes. Under the clear skies of Cyprus, Kotsiatis area. Postal code 83. What? Yes, just προλάβαμε.
Εσύ το συναρράνει άλλο και δεν μου πάει λάθος γάμματα. Είναι οι κινήσεις της καθαρμίτσες.
No emergency landing. Pantelis fix the problem. Airborne. Airborne fix the problem. Yes. Under the sunshine. Pantelis not tired. 65 degrees Celsius and he flying only with hat. Look, only one hat. Okay, let's go. Some stick movements from Mr. Pantelis, Speedy Gonzalez of the helicopter. Stick movements, totally free, no charge. Yes. He's make the movement in purpose, so you learn. Yes, we follow Mr. Pantelis to calculate the damage. No damage. I stay here for Pantelis to collect the airplane. No problemo. No problem. Yes, salad, green salad tonight. Ready to fly again. The fearless, horeless, brushless, nevertheless pilot Pantelis. Eat, sleep, crash and fly again.
No damage.
No damage, you can see. He saved the helicopter. Thank you.